Oh, good morning, friends. This is Sadeep, Silent Music, my YouTube channel. I am today talking about meditation. So, meditation is concentration. Many people think, but it is not concentration. Meditation is no mind. Meditation is no time. So, meditation, if you want to understand, meditation is silent mind. When mind is absent, it is meditation. So meditation can be done by methods. Many people think, no, it is not like that. Meditation is a door where we can rest. Silence comes from there. So from when mind stops, it is meditation. So I want to share with you how meditation is done. What is meditation? What are the methods to meditate? So first we will talk about meditation, understand about meditation. Meditation by two examples. So if you consider a room full of people, if you consider a room full of people, so each people represents a thought. That room is considered as a mind. So this is crowd of thoughts. So if a room is empty, so if all the room is empty, that is called meditation. So no thought is no mind. In that state, the meditation happens. So meditation is always a passive happening. It is not an active thing. So another example I would like to tell you is, if you imagine a full moon night and you are sitting near a pond. In the pond, a full moon is reflected. Total silence. Water is like a mirror. Moon is totally reflected in the water. In that state, meditation happens. Meditation is always higher. Meditation is not a method. Thank you, friends. I will upload all the information regarding meditation. Please watch my channel, Silent Music. Thank you. Namaste. Om.